The average function calculates the arithmetic mean of given numbers. Select a cell. Type =average. Double-click the average command. Select a range. Hit enter. Average function adds the range and divides it by the number of observations. Use fill to copy the formula. Arguments of average function can either be numbers, ranges, or cell references that contain numbers. To calculate average of numbers, type =average. Double-click the average command. Type numbers like 1, 2, 3. Hit enter. To calculate average of multiple ranges, type =average. Double-click the average command. Select the first range, add comma, select the second range. Hit enter. To calculate average of individual cells, type =average. Double-click the average command. Select the cells while holding Ctrl key. Hit enter. You have successfully calculated the average using the average function.